Okay, I just got a request from Isaiah. He wanted to know the end of cycle signal, what kind of sound it makes. So I'm going to record it and post the video. This is the Hotpoint gas dryer. Is the cheapest gas dryer on the market, I guess. And I've had it for 2 years and it works very well. I pair it in conjunction with my other washer. This is the GE washer. This is also one of the cheapest. Works well so far. So here it is. I'm gonna give you the end of cycle signal, I say. So the end of cycle signal is very loud and it lasts for at least 5 seconds.